7 years ago, a candle was lit with a bright light that entered people's mind and illuminate their sight. Of course, the establishment of a unique academic institution called Ban Kindergarten and School was the achievement of a great man who promised to create an environment where the next generation would enter the classical process with the utmost confidence. Was the achievement of a great man who promised to create an environment where the next generation would enter the classical process with the utmost confidence. Education moved towards a new model of education. As one of the strongest academic centers, Ban Kindergarten and School has followed the student-centered model, making students the center of the learning process, freeing them from the classical reteaching system through various group work, seminars, artistic and academic activities. Students, with the help of leading teachers and cultural and scientific trips, and having unique and modern teaching buildings and equipment. A unique library containing more than 6,000 books was also donated to the student at Ban School. Dear parents, if you want your child to be the candle of a bright future, don't hesitate to make Ban Kindergarten and School a hope for his future growth and success.
باخچە و قوتابخانەی بان ماڵێک بۆ پەروەردە و ژیان.